Welcome, curious minds, to a mind bending journey into the depths of human behavior. Today, we aim to unlock the secrets of human behavior in biology. Grab your backpacks and let's explore the very foundation of our human behavior. Picture this: we are on a wild safari observing baby lions into African savanna. Some cubs roar with an alpha's might, while others are shy and hesitant. Why is that? Well, it's the age-old debate of nature versus nurture. Nature refers to the genes we inherit from our parents, like the traits passed down from the family tree. It's like a beautiful painting from grandma right in your DNA. But hold on, what about nurture? Imagine those lion cubs are raised by different adoptive families. One with a brave warrior lion and another with gentle, nurturing lioness. The environment, love, and care they receive shape their behavior, making them unique from their birth parents. So it's like adding special colors and patterns to the family tree painting, depending on who raises you. Meet Alex, an adorable child adopted by a wonderful couple. Now you might wonder, will Alex be more like his birth parents or his adopted parents? The answer is, drumroll, Alex will inherit certain characteristics from his parents, like maybe having curly hair like his biological mom, or talent for music from his biological dad. But wait, there's more. Since his adoptive parents lovingly raise him, they'll also influence his behavior and personality, like instilling a love for adventure or a passion for cooking. So it's a magical blend of genes and nurturing that shapes Alex into the amazing person he's destined to become. We are now into the vast universe of genetics, where our genetic blueprint is stored into tiny spaceships called chromosomes. Every cell in our body carries 23 pairs of chromosomes, like the page of an incredible storybook. These are set of thread-like structures that come in pairs, and we inherit one set from each of our parents, making a grand total of 23 pairs. Out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes. These autosomes are almost identical in both males and females and play a critical role in determining our general body structure, organ development, and other shared characteristics. Picture these autosomes as the heart and soul of our genetics, where the majority of genetic information for our common traits reside. Now let's focus on the 23rd pair, which holds the key to our biological sex. In this pair, we have two unique chromosomes, X and Y. Females have two X chromosomes, XX, while males have one X and one Y chromosome, making it XY. During the creation of a new life, when an egg from mother carrying one X chromosome is fertilized by a sperm from the father carrying either an X or a Y chromosome, the magic of sex determination happens. It's like a genetic dance where one partner brings in an X chromosome and the other contributes either an X or a Y. If the sperm carrying an X fuses with the egg, the resulting combination will be XX, right? So this becomes a female. Now, if the sperm carrying a Y joins forces with egg, then we get XY, right? Which forms a male. These chromosomes contain our DNA, which is the ultimate instruction manual for building and running our bodies. DNA is like a long, twisting ladder with four magical letters: A, T, C, and G. Imagine each letter as a cosmic building block, creating a unique code for life. But hold on, we are not done yet. When our cells need to carry out specific tasks, they use a photocopy machine called RNA to make copies of the DNA's instructions. RNA acts as a messenger, sending out blueprints to construct proteins, the real superheroes of our body. Intriguing, isn't it? That despite our diverse appearances and unique traits, 99.6% of our DNA is the same for any two people on earth. Let's delve into this captivating mystery. You see, our DNA contains instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. The vast majority of these instructions are essential for basic life processes that are common to all humans. Whether you have curly hair or straight, whether you love spicy food or sweets, these fundamental biological functions remain the same for all of us. Imagine our DNA as a massive book, and each chapter is called a gene. Collectively, all genes form the genome. Now, the genome acts as a library of instructions that determine our traits and characteristics. Genes, my friends, are like little wizards that live on DNA ladder. They carry these cool spells called alleles, which determine our traits. Some alleles might code for blue eyes, while some others for brown eyes. While these alleles work together, they create a unique blend of eye color for each person, just like a magical potion. So, whether it's eye color, height, or even a fondness for pineapple pizza, yes, that's a genetic thing, by the way, genes play a crucial role in shaping who we are. A trait is any observable characteristic that differs among individuals, like eye color, height, or even a predisposition to certain diseases. Traits are influenced by the combination of genes we inherit from our parents. Moving on to the next word, which is genetic markers. Genetic markers are like special bookmarks in our DNA book. They help scientists identify specific locations on our chromosomes that are associated with particular traits or diseases. These markers are vital in genetic research and understanding human diversity. Alleles can be similar or different, resulting in different expressions of a trait. When we inherit two identical alleles for a particular gene, it's called a homozygous condition. If we inherit two different alleles, it's called heterozygous condition. Now let's talk about dominant and recessive genes. A dominant allele will always be expressed in the presence of a recessive one. In contrast, a recessive allele needs both copies to be present to show its effect. Let's understand this more in detail. Look at the picture on your screen. Here comes a fascinating example to illustrate the dominant and recessive genes, which is the blue and the brown eyes cross. Let's imagine two parents, each with single brown-eyed allele and a single blue-eyed allele. Brown eyes are caused by dominant allele B, and while blue eyes result from a recessive allele small b. So how would the father's genotype look like? Capital B small e, right? And same, the mother's genotype is also going to be capital B small b, right? Now, since the brown eyes are the dominant alleles for both the parents, the expression of this allele is going to be brown eyes. That is, their eyes or the pupil color is going to be brown, which we could see with our naked eye. Now, when they have a child, there's a 25% chance of the child inheriting two dominant alleles, capital B, leading to brown eyes, obviously, because capital B allele is for brown eyes. There's a 50% chance of inheriting one dominant and one recessive allele, which is capital B small b. This will still result in brown eyes as the dominant allele, which is capital B, takes the precedence. However, there's a 25% chance of inheriting two recessive alleles, which is small b, leading to blue eyes. Let's move on to the next concept, which is gene mutation. Gene mutation is like a plot twist in our DNA story. Sometimes changes occur in our genes due to various factors like environmental influences or random errors during cell division. These mutations can lead to new traits or contribute to genetic diversity. Now let's test your knowledge with a fun crossword. Solve the clues to uncover some key genetic terms we've explored today. Alright, folks, that's it for today. I'll see you next time exploring more about human behavior in biology in part 2. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.